Okay, YouTube, welcome back to the vlogs. And right now, people, we're here to give you a next hood videos. And right now, the comment section say, yo, Jay, do this next hood for winner, please. I mean, I say, you know what, but in that year, I feel good, I just passed my trucking exam, I renew my license, so that was a little bit of pressure come off on my head, so right, I know I'm a little bit have some energy right now, you know. Simple before I go home, I'm gonna take a quick nap and edit up some videos. So right now, my people, welcome back to the channel 416-876 Jamaica, my people. And if you're new here, my people, I'm doing hood videos, park videos, mall videos, any videos in Toronto or Canada and stuff like that. I'm sure, yeah, man. And then if you do a Jamaica now, show off the house videos, building a house in Jamaica, building supplies, furniture supplies, and parks, malls, waterfalls, and everything. But right now, my people, we at CLE. We're at Chester Lee, my people. And right now, we're going to walk through the hood and do a one vlog video. See if we can have a bridging right here. So if you give me a one chat on a video microphone and see what I'm going to deal with. Blessings, daddy. You know, show your face. You know, show your face. May I say, if you know, have nothing you can say about this area, Chester Lee, how it used to be or how it is right now and vibe like that, because you don't know no CLE not Cleveland, you know what I mean? So I walk through and I just do have one vlog video upon the area to say I really go on and hear some voice from the people in the area, you know? A 416-876 Jamaica, the channel name, man, you see it, so we just a walk through, man, so I don't know if you have nothing you can put on the camera.
No thanks.
Your mask up already, nobody now see your face, you know?
No thanks to you, family. No.
Alright then, which part of the best part for walk around, so just all around, sir? What you that say?
Right, you know, so the camera thing you too good in here now, you know?
No, man, I'm not show you, you know.
You see the clock, man. You see the whole thing, man. I realize.
Yeah, man, I'm not show you.
Program, man. You see all of the good them you are going on, family.
Oh, you see my video, them?
Yeah, man. But
Respect, man, brother.
I tell you still, you know, that's what I really... I can't turn out time, you know?
Alright, I'm not showing nobody on the camera, see. I'm just going to walk through and just do my thing and not ask somebody too much question. Alright, bless up here, daddy. Yeah, man. Alright, my people, so. I say right now, the best time for you really walk through the place and thing. But you don't know, so 416, I have to go through the area then from around the area and call it a day. You see it? So right now we are Chester Lee, my people. And this is probably around the back area, the backyards of the areas and stuff like that. You see what I'm trying to say? I'm saying watch some of the video them and see some of the video them, but you don't know everybody are gonna say something like that and them not really watch all the videos them. So you don't know. Now I make that stop with him say not a really good time to go through. But I go through the area, see him way. Show you guys how the area look. I think this is the back part of the area. We're gonna start the video with a song called, I can't remember the next song called, but I can't remember the artist them. But them really boom responsible for this area. If I saw it go, I don't know. I'm not from the area. I know people from this area. I know so this area sometimes can really erupt in a really bad way. And you saw the backyard them stay and stuff like that, like, you know. But this is the area, my people. This is Victoria Park and Finch area. Yeah, man. So a place there, you know. And then when sometimes some people just boast up some community and make it look worse than what it is. But me know say this area is bad. So some little youths are over here, so I'm gonna ask them about the area and see if they can give them 2-7 and put them on camera right away. We just go videotape we first and see if them have nothing to say about the community at the end of the day. You see it? They don't know say I see a leave with it, you see it? So that. What if people outside right now, man? Can I ask you a question, guys? You have one on camera still, you see it? But like, how is this neighborhood now?
Pardon me?
How is the neighborhood right now?
The neighborhood blessed.
Wait, can I have you guys on camera though? Is it okay?
No, I
You don't want to be on camera, you can just talk, right?
Yeah.
So how was the neighborhood like probably 5 years ago?
Sure.
Because I've been living in this community a long time, you know, I'm just asking other people their own opinion, you know what I mean?
Well, I fuck off.
Huh?
So whatever, it's whatever, you know?
How do you like the community? How's the community like with like racism and stuff like that? Is a multi community? It's
Yeah,
more mixed and everything like
it's
that.
a multicultural stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You see a lot of us out here, you know?
Okay. Cause I know, here's the reason why I came here. A YouTuber messaged me and said, "Yo, you gotta go visit the block." And he's like, "CLE, not Cleveland." You know those guys who sing that track, right? Yeah. So he's like, "Yo, go visit that place, and ask some people around the area and stuff like that." But I don't want to be on camera, so I can't have respect, All right. So which part of the best place to walk around this area if you just show off the vibe?
So, to be honest, I don't really know. So just whatever,
Yes. So probably down there, it ends down there, and then just probably come back around, eh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, respect. Here, bless upon yourself. Alright people. And I really want it on camera, so we can't force nobody to be on camera. But still I'll show you guys the neighborhood right here, you see it? And shout out to the commenters who comment and say, "Oh, go visit the area," you know what I mean? Like me say my people, I know a whole heap of people who live around this area. Me used to come around this area for a 1-2 party back in the days when we do all ages events and all of them things there. You see it, so just a visit the block and stuff. Me ain't that really forward, my people, but spirit just say, "Yo, let's push out and go do a next vlog video for the day, yeah, man." Call it a day, cause right now we have the energy. And I'm bridging them live around here so too, but I don't think I'm available for show me around the areas and ask him some question about the community and stuff like that. But this area, when it erupt in my people, this area can really erupt very, very bad. All old people I get dirty around here, so I think when I'm bridging, then dirty around here too, my people. I was an old boy too. Now I gotta call him name still, but yeah, man. All heap of bad people come from them area. One time I think when I all ages days, a man must rob me and say, "Oh boy, what I'm saying, Victoria Park and Finch me come from, That me make you know, me I say, "Oh, Victoria Park and Finch. Me just come my country after me don't know nowhere around here, so." Right? The man say, "A Chester Lee me come from." And me I say, "What name Chester Lee, brother?" Like, you just come to Canada like me if you know when you name place or don't name them place. You understand? So, yeah, man say a Chester Lee, man, so I'm going to show you. So we are Chester Lee right now. In the hood. In them block. I'm not a bad man or a good man, so. I ain't no problem with nobody. Go where I want to go. Do what I want to do. I ask questions. You see it? I say we come in the hood. Ask one man a question. You don't really want to talk. So right now I'm going to show you spot with the hair, see it? Right at Chester Lee Boulevard. See them people? Chester Lee. Yeah man, CLE not Cleveland. So right there some people. We are Chester Lee right now. Yeah man, Chester Lee with them people. We cloudy around here. Go show what the name about a whole heap of, I don't know, a whole heap of like a government housing and stuff like that. Around here also. I think there's a next side over this thing, but I don't want to catch a side there. Yes, sir. Look like the more partish part of the housings are and stuff like that. Whatever that go on. So I want to see if I can even ask 2 people on camera. How is the vibe? How is the tension? And stuff like that. Even a elder person or something like that, And again, my people, when I get back with energy right now, we go back through again. When I'm in the west side, I see if we can get some west side videos now. I go and back up again fully, Yeah man, see, place always on any village surveillance. Yeah man, no joke. Place no rugged. But yeah man, I Chester Lee this way now people. CLE not Cleveland. I will play the first part of the video there in this video. So you can see what we are talking about Chester Lee. Yeah man. Again, them say when the place I get dirty, get real dirty bad. All the people have run where I pack up and thing, I don't really know the stories around here, so I can't really tell you how it is around here, to be honest with you. Can't really tell you how it is. Blessings, moms. But I can say everything is close by. Everything is like in a community. Like the housings and stuff is it. So anytime you have housings like this, you know, it's always a problem because everybody can't really agree with each other. And I see him so over Jane and Finch team. Still have to go to North Jane and Finch. More to warm day for come out. Just drive God the west and just do a couple west videos for the day there. Well, just get up early and just to be a west videos, you understand? Yeah man. But you can't see say we're there in the gorge right now, we're there in the play area. And I really want to stay around here too long because you don't know why I pray and I don't like all them type of videos there. You understand? So go ask the youths them over here, so them are youths, so I can't really have them on camera like that, but I just want them to answer. But let me see, I can walk around the area and I come back around and show another place, but I don't really want to leave for show still, but I walk back the area and come around back on the next area. Yeah, so some of the places I'm looking at my people. Yeah man, real ghetto over there, you know. So they must say foreign and ghetto. This is foreign ghettos, hear my people. One of these places, these are foreign ghettos right here. This is how foreign ghetto look like, and that. Yeah, I'll go back round. Nobody a pray me, you know. So like this video not gonna be too of a longer video, you know. But come on man, you can clean up a place, man. Like watch ya. I come on a bright sunny day too and I couldn't see people outside, you know. But still not see nobody outside, I can't really vibe with it. Like when I go down on the next block, you see it. But a foreign with it, man, I make it didn't look like a foreign with it. Over there, so I don't know if over there so I next get it. I go over the next side also. But I know so around here, so Chester Lee. I go ask them youths here some question, and if nothing, I'll go back up top and probably even just exit the neighborhood. I don't see no police around this area, but right this will probably be the big open part. Which part everybody always go. You see it? I ask some youths a question. My youth, you ask a question, man?
Huh?
How is this area right now? Huh? How is the area? Safe?
Yeah.
How was it back 5 years ago? Was it safe?
We don't know.
It was on and off, right? But you guys like the area now though?
Yeah.
Alright man. Which part do you guys think I should videotape? Which side of this area? Over here? I did down there already. Where? Yeah. Yeah, I did all of down there already. No, I didn't video up top yet. So do up top too, right? I did background there too, yeah. I did there too. Huh? Where's Chester? Isn't this Chester Lee? Oh, over that side. Okay. Yeah? Over that side. Alright then guys, respect. Here, bless up on yourself.
What are you recording this for?
Oh, like I visit all the different hoods in Toronto and stuff like that. So I visit different parks, mall, hoods and stuff. And then we do videos about it, and we do a lot of Jamaican videos too. So yeah, 416 to 876 Jamaica. Alright, I can't put you guys on camera because you guys are kids and stuff like that, okay? So 416 to 876 Jamaica. Alright, you can find me on YouTube. Alright? Yeah, 416 to 876 Jamaica. Alright? Alright, well people. So they say if we go over that side right now, so I go check that side there. And you just walk up and ask them be a question like you think you're afraid of them. I'm afraid of nobody now people. We're not do nothing illegal and we're not getting nobody face, so we're not, you know? We just do what we want to do. We call it a delay. Blessings, daddy. Now have your on camera. I don't have your on camera, daddy. Yeah man, so just walk through the area and show you guys how it look right now. Updated place and thing. Ready to just walk around and things. So now we all go over the next side of Chester Lee. So many people are just afraid with them on camera. I don't know why. But you saw them do over here, so now people look like them are gentrified or whatever they want to call it. Because now you see all new new buildings start go up. So then probably soon I'll take down the whole of the ghetto here from these sides. But I don't know if I'm going to have the power to do that. And then boom, make all this up here now. So up here so the new area. Now I go over the new area, then we go over the community center. But this is a new area now, we're not afraid of going. Because you know, and then people have to spend their money. Aye, money. Yeah, man. A joke I think, man. And so the area look now. Again, my people, so kind of a little bit chilly outside, so you're not gonna really see too much people outside right now. Look out for them park, look nice over here. So you see the difference from the hood side to not the hood side. Nice park and stuff. Me have to look behind them, you know, people, because don't want them people there. I follow me up, you know. But you never know what they enough for them mind and conscience, right? Holy. Really, them now nothing for me go up on here, so. Judge God, man. Holy. So this is how top Chesterlee look, the new area of Chesterlee. So it look. I'm hear some music over there, so I don't know, I can probably go around the area or next door and so I go on over there and do the community center over here, so also. But I can move on to the north side, and see what I go on at this scheme also. See if I can ask nobody anything around here, so. It looks like it's our next ghetto or our next block. Yeah, man, it's probably our next block. I can see the big civilians camera them for the housing type of system right in the middle right there, so you know. Yeah, man, so it look like a big bangarangs probably going around here, so the youth them must say, oh, check up this, so check up this, so. So I'm gonna check over here, so. Call it a day. Somebody are clean them car, I ask them some question, but I'm gonna play too much music. Like I'm gonna play some Chronic Law. Like them deep in them thing, you know. Like Chronic Law deep in the music, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go around here, so and see from the back here. But again, all of the house them place them look the same. You understand? Just a go on a nice to go walk through at the area. I always do them videos here for people who move out of the areas them also and can't really come back, or people who get dip on, you know, all of them things there. So these videos are for these type of people, or people who just probably want to see the neighborhood them, and so we might have to come in at the neighborhood here, but we are show it off just how it is. Yeah, man. So again, be cameras and stuff on the wall them. For sure. Look behind me and my people, because they don't know. Nobody run up on you, you know. But the place just look deserted. Creepy kind of way. Yeah, man. Place just feel creepy. I don't know, because of the weather. Everybody lock up inside and stuff like that. But this is a Chesterlee. Alright, man. Go around on the street side around here, so I'll walk around back and go over the community center. Show you guys how that look. Right out here. If anybody know the famous rock here, so alright, that's how they, man. Yeah, man, I'll walk around there, so like I said, don't know if you see my people, because you can see the more they block it off from the next community, you know. So yeah, I know, say community done up here, so I walk go back down and think like the man are drinking liquor from early. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you have some liquor in here, you know, man, like a tea man drink, man, people. Again, so some of the backyard them look round here also. Some of them clean, some not clean. Wish me to have a backyard of foreign too. Yeah, barbecue at some time and vibe out, you know. But everybody have them privilege there, yeah, man. That. Watch the place some more. I think I go walk over the side there, you know. Like it's a next community over there so too. I must be a government cameras and thing. But yeah, my people, we come to Chesterley and we did Chesterley, and I don't know if over this is a hood also. Nothing more, you know, look like a big hood, but me go down in the middle part here now, and then I go over the community center and then we just leave out. Yeah man, my people, shout out to the comment section. Again, tell me say if you come visit and check out Chesterley. Can't say we didn't. You understand? And that still. Yeah man. Blessings, daddy. Blessings. People around and not talk like that. You know, up in them feelings. We don't know what I go on or then hate camera. That still. But this is how the areas them look around here, my people. I go back on the road and so I walk up on the street and check out the Chesterley community center. And then we just finish up the video. Call it a day. Yeah man. So this is the foreign ghettos, my people. I think this should end off the Scarborough ghettos and start focus on the west side now. Yeah. I don't think there's no more ghettos. But then somebody still forgot beer mills and Shepherd area also. We don't know what they are, beer mills and Shepherds. So right over here so now is the Chesterley Community Center. Probably so I go on a full walk around the building and thing. But this is how the area looks. They always have some youth who want to tough up themselves and think them a bad man, and they never see nobody if them ever get beat up. Or they not even know how badness look. Never see nobody drop in front of them yet. And them a puff up themselves and act like them bad. Sure. Just take my nose out tight here, man. Call it a day. But yeah man, so them a nice up, because my nose over here so probably be housing too, you know. But you saw them clean it up and make it nice up now. They might probably do this the whole of the place them. So right now this is the Chesterley Community Center. Yeah man. So that's the place look, you know. I don't know, I can't walk around there. Even walk in there. I'm showing you how the place look around here. But if not, just going off the video and call it a day. So yeah man, for the comment section, I forward over here, you see it. Do the vlog for you, the people them, you know. Just let me know how we again, you know what I'm for go. And we'll get it done. That is it. I don't know if we can go inside, you know, my people. Because I lack a Saturday today. And yeah. So that was Chesterley here, my people. Hope you enjoy this vlog video and stuff, like me say. I really get people on my camera and stuff like that, because you don't know people involved in things. And we're not for the negative energy. We're here for the positive vibe. And just ask people how is the community and thing. And you know, so around here used to be so violent. Probably still is, probably still not. But back in the days, I know so around here so used to have a local buzz. You see it? So that is it. So again, my people, hope you like, share, and subscribe, and then enjoy them vlogs there. You guys let me know which part you want to see next, and we'll go over there and we'll get the next videos them for Uno. You understand? And I'll leave out of the community because it feel creepy to me. I really want to know creepy neighborhood. You see it? So again, my people, 416-876 Jamaica. And please like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this. And comment below where next you guys want me to go. Like I said, the next series is gonna be over the west side of Toronto. So we have Parkdale, we have Junction, we have Jungle, we have so much other places where we can go and go shoot right now too. before the winter starts, before it starts to snow. Alright, so you know, let me know. Like I could ask some of them girls there some question, but we're gonna leave it alone here, man. People don't want it on camera, and we're not gonna open on nobody. Also, you understand, some people again, this is the area, Chester Lee area, you understand? Outside. Yeah man, outside is not too bad today. So I'm gonna do this vlog video for you guys today. So again, my people, like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy 416-876J, and I'm your host. And stay tuned for the next videos. Bless up on yourself. That.